Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss about ABCD parameter of short transmission line. So, first the significance of transmission line we have to discuss. Then we'll go for the uh, exact explanation about ABCD parameter. So, before that, I think for the last class we have discussed about short transmission line. And anyone remember what is transmission line? Is the system to transfer power from generating area to substation or consumers. Very good. So along with this, we have discussed type of transmission lines: short transmission line, medium transmission line, and the power transmission line. That is long transmission line. Based on the kilometers we are described, are divided into three types. In that we are discussed in detail about short transmission line. Along with this, we are discussed uh, vector diagram also, and what is the procedure we are to draw the vector diagram. All those things we are discussed in the last session. So continue of this session, we are going to discuss about the ABCD parameter of transmission line, that is especially for short transmission line. First we have to discuss what is the significance of ABCD parameter, why it is called ABCD parameter. So ABCD parameter is the it is the easy way to analyze or describe the two-port network. Why we are using two-port network? Because two-port network analyzing the input current voltage and output current and voltage. So normally electrical network has two input and two output. Based on this, we can analyze two-port network. So we can use 2 into 2 matrix also. So based on this, we are replacing the parameters for the ABCD in the voltage and the current. See the equation number 1 and 2. So Vs is equal to AVR plus BIR, and Is is equal to CVR plus DIR. We know that VR is the receiving voltage, IR is the receiving current. So just we have to replace the other parameters. We are replacing the value of ABCD. So that's why it's called as the ABCD parameter, and also it is used to calculate the system performance, efficiency, and also losses. So which is ensuring the power delivered, that is reliable power delivered to the consumers. So for this purpose only we are using ABCD parameter. And ABCD parameter, first we have to find the value of A, B, C, D and the C. So we have considering IR is equal to 0 for the in equation 1, we can get the A value of Vs by VR, which is IR is equal to 0. And for we are putting VR is equal to 0 in the equation number 1, B is equal to Vs by IR, that is with respect to VR is equal to 0. And for IR, that is for C parameter, we are making IR is equal to 0. So we can get the IS divided by VR at IR is equal to 0. So I think there are three parameters we have discussed. That is A parameter, B parameter, and then C parameter. So then the D parameter is so D is VIS by IR, that is at VR is equal to 0. So I mentioned that is we are discussing impedance and admittance values through the value of ABCD parameters. So and we have to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of ABCD parameter. So advantages of ABCD parameter and the short transmission, especially for short transmission line, it's a negligible capacitance effect and simpler construction, and you are using improved voltage regulation and higher efficiency and lower cost for specific applications. And these are the advantages for a short transmission line. And disadvantages of transmission line is limited distance. Already we know that that is 80 kilometer only we have to use, less than 80 kilometer. and high conductor material, usage of high voltages and costly voltage regulation. And based on that, and the next disadvantage is limited applicability for interconnecting networks. These are the disadvantages of short transmission line. So the next one is so I think for this session we are discuss about ABCD parameter. So what is the significance of ABCD parameter, and why it is called ABCD parameter? So that is we are discussing or analyzing the voltage regulation and relating the input voltage and input voltage current with the output voltage and current. So normally the power system consists of two input and two output. Based on this, we are considering two port network. So instead of the parameters, we are using A, B, C, D. So based on this, we are calculating the admittance and impedance values with we are making I is equal to 0, IR is equal to 0, and VR is equal to 0. So, and advantage and disadvantage we have discussed for the short transmission line in this session. So, see you in the next session. Thank you.